Asunto-osakeyhtiö Lahden Reimarinranta.
It's also very nice today on the 17th of July 2024. Here we have Ruoriniemenkatu 28 staircase B, and I have to get the staircase A lecture here. It says 97 here. West is 4 buses of 35 grams, beautiful wooden interior. Alloys have 2000 wood, it has a very beautiful interior.
Yeah.
Built in 1998, this is the beginning of 1998 because it says 97 on the glass. It's in recipe 1 and E 2366. And the capacity is 4 buses of 312 grams. So it's Ruoriniemenkatu,
Yeah.
Lahti, Finland, but it's close to Ankkuri. Although this is the cheaper version of Otis 2000, but it has a beautiful interior.
Yeah.
So still not bad.
Yeah.
I like the sounds of the smell here.
Same. Is feedback mais that maintained Otis so nowadays got this.
There's the Otis logo by the door now. But the floor P could have been green here.
Yeah.
On the ground floor. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Just to turn off the lights here.
That's